Hi everyone, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your very own DIY cupcake toppers. So let's just get right into it. The screen you're seeing right now is actually the designs that I made. I just made 3 different designs. I'm just using Google Slides to make these. So basically the diameter of the cupcake toppers is going to be 2 inches, and then the inner kind of circle is 1.5 inch. And I just chose 3 different designs for them. One is Eid Mubarak in Arabic, Eid Mubarak in English, and then the last one is the crescent moon with the star, which is very symbolic of our religion. So basically what you want to do is make your design first and then print it out. Make sure you first try printing it out just on a normal piece of paper. But for the actual toppers, you're going to have to use a paper that's a bit more sturdier, so like cardstock paper. And yeah, let's get into how you will actually be assembling the toppers. So basically you're just going to cut two, glue the back of one, and then you'll just place a toothpick in the middle and just sandwich them. This is how they should turn out at the very end. And there you have it, guys. These are how my cupcakes turned out with the cupcake toppers. They look super cute and I was very impressed. Thank you all for watching. Bye!